Hey fancy beauties and bows, welcome back to the channel over here. High five and fist pump. I missed y'all so much. So I'm not using my tripod today, but I wanted to come in and do this video before I get busy all over again. So I got out of work early today and I said today is the perfect time for me to do this video. So what this video is about is having your own little Fourier, if you will, if you don't have a large space to do so. You can take whatever space that you have and go ahead and make that into a nice little area where you can have your bling displayed. So that's what I'm going to do in this video for you guys today, is I'm going to show you how I made mine. So let's begin. Alright, so as you can see, I'm standing at my doorway here, and then as you come in, this is my little foyer area right here. So I just used what space that I had available. I already had this table, and I just put whatever knickknacks that I wanted up there to be up there. So as you can see, these little elephants, I'm using those as bookends, and I picked these up from Roses. And I know everyone doesn't have a Roses in their area, but this is where I picked those up. My IKEA book, I had that already laying around the house, and then I just have some entrepreneurial books that I like to thumb through and just kind of get ideas on. This is one of those DIY books that I showed you in the other video for the collab that I did with the other ladies. And I picked these vases up from Home Goods, I believe last season. This beautiful vase, I picked that up from Home Goods as well. And I believe I picked this up around like the winter time. And then the little flowers, I just picked those up from Walmart. And then my little mirrored table, I picked that up from a local store in the area out here in North Carolina. So that's how I did my foyer. And then I just have my mirror right above it. And then that is my patio door right there. So I wanted to hurry up and come through and do this video for you guys, because I'm actually getting ready to move that into my living room because your girl got some new furniture. So I'm gonna show you where I end up putting that, and then I'll also show you my new living room furniture as well. Girl, I've been so busy I ain't even had time to relax on that furniture, but I will soon be able to. So just stay tuned for that video. I hope that you all were able to get some ideas from this one. Let me know your comments, your thoughts, all that good stuff down in the description bar. And your girl will check you out in another video, hopefully sooner than later. Until then, stay fancy.